How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be making an ab workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, follow me on Instagram. I'm getting my Instagram account back. I will be posting daily. It's Dylanberg999. So that's what my Instagram is. Please follow me on Instagram. I really appreciate it. So let's get started. The exercise that I'm choosing today is going to be Russian ab twists. We're going to do 5 on each side, so 10 repetitions. Let's get started. So we are going to be in this position. We're going to do 10 reps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just like that. 10 repetitions, more than enough to see results. We will be doing 10 sets. So that's 100 repetitions. If you want, you can do 20 reps. Perfectly fine. In this video, I'm only going to do 10 reps for the beginners, intermediates. But again, if you want to do more, you perfectly can. Nothing wrong with that at all. But again, for demonstration purposes, only doing 10 repetitions. Comment below too. Let me know what you guys have been thinking of the new upload frequency. I've been getting about 3 videos per day for the last 3-4 days. Last night I did miss a video. I forgot about it. But it's been going pretty good, uploading 3 per day. On top of that, I have been pretty crazy with my other channel too. I've been getting a lot of uploads on that too, so that's been going pretty good. Another thing, the Instagram, I am starting it up again, like I said in the start of the video. I am trying to get it going. I would like to have as many followers as I do YouTube subscribers, so that would be pretty sweet if we can slowly get that number up. Let's do another 10 repetitions. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo, woo, woo. Definitely feeling in my abs. I love doing Russian ab twists. I love them. They're such a good exercise to see results. But yeah, Instagram, trying to get more followers. Really got to manage my social media accounts. Facebook, I don't know about Facebook. I don't know if I'll really get a following on there. But YouTube, definitely need an Instagram. That's one thing that I have been slacking on. I have 560 followers right now with doing nothing. I don't even post. I haven't posted in like, I think a year, and I still have 560 followers. So not too bad. Like to get to 1,000 followers, then 10,000, then 100,000 would be nice. But just got to keep posting and asking all of my followers or all my YouTube subscribers to follow me. That would really help. Another 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Love doing these, my friends. Love doing these. Pretty happy too. Pretty eventful weekend. Did 2 hours of schooling on Saturday, 2 hours of schooling on Sunday. 4 hours in total. That puts me right where I need to be. Might do some more schooling during the week. I don't know. Generally, what I do is I will do schooling Saturday and Sunday. Then Monday to Friday, I will do my YouTube channel. Pretty excited too. I started the schooling in July, August, September, October. 5 months is down. 7 more months to go. 5 more seconds, then we will do another 10 repetitions, my friends. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Wow. Just love doing these exercises. So yeah, what I like to do, what I've been kind of fooling around with is just making the videos that the people want. And so far I found out that ab videos, ab workouts, Kegel workouts, believe it or not, people love Kegel workouts, forearm workouts, videos tailored towards getting veins, and maybe I might do another one with chest fat and chest workouts. I might do one with chest workouts because I think people would enjoy chest workouts, so that's something that I may consider. But right now I got a pretty good upload scheme going. Pretty damn good, I would say. Let's do some more. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo-hoo. Again, I love doing these. These are fun. But yeah, with all my videos, I have just endless amounts of exercises that I can show you. And I have a ton of different workouts that we can do. And it's pretty cool because a lot of people complain on YouTube they don't have new ideas. I got a ton of ideas. I've already made 2,400 videos. I have enough ideas to make easy 10,000, easy. Just so many different workouts I can do, different stuff. Keep mixing it up. And my informational videos, pretty pumped about doing those again. Those are really fun to do. Just a wide variety of different topics you can cover on a lot of different things. Not necessarily pertaining to fitness, even though it is a fitness channel. I like to go outside the box a little bit. Another 10 reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Another thing I want to talk about too is that to get results for your abs, something that I don't say in every video, but it is based on your nutrition. If you want to see results, nutrition is very important, more important than doing the ab exercises, but the ab exercises are extremely good to do. The ab exercises will help, but your nutrition will really help. So make sure your nutrition is on point, my friends. Watch what you're eating, track your calories. If you have a little bit higher body fat percentage, make sure you cut the body fat percentage. Your abs will really start to pop. Trust me on that. So we will do another set right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What you can also do with this exercise is you can hold the medicine ball in your hand and twist if you want. Not even a medicine ball, you can use any weights. Anything around the house that has some weight to it, or you can use plates, weight plates, dumbbells. You can use anything if you want to add a little bit of resistance to the exercise. Again, if you want to. Not needed to get six-pack abs. This alone will work to get you abs. And yeah, it's just something extra to do if you want to do it. Some other things you can do too is you can do some more repetitions if you want. You can do 20 reps. You can also do it for a longer period of time too. You can do it for, say, do this workout for 15 minutes instead of 10 minutes. Do an extra 5 sets, so that 15-minute video would be an extra 5 sets. So you can do that too. The workout that I do is for demonstration purposes. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The workout that I do is the workout that I do daily. So the workouts that you are watching me doing, these are the ones that I would do daily. So you're basically following my routine. And if you follow my routine, you will see the same results as me. You will get six-pack abs. Trust me on that. And again, if you guys want to see my abs in tip-top shape, again, follow me on Instagram. You will be able to see all my posts. That's when, that was probably about a year ago. That's when I was super lean. And then what I started doing is I started bulking again, starting to add some more muscle. And then I will eventually get down to that same leanness. And yeah, just follow me on Instagram if you want to see me in tip-top shape. And yeah, just something cool to do. Last set, and then we are completely done the workout, my friends. Let's get into position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. So we are done the workout. That is the end of it. Great job if you guys have been following along at home. Again, this is how you're going to see the results. What I like to do, or what you guys can do, is just play the video and then just follow along at home. And then if you want, you can watch the video again if you want, and just replay it over and over again doing the workout. But again, the workout, you only have to do it once per day. You don't have to do it 2-3 times. You can if you want to, but for results, once per day is more than enough to see results. My abs are on fire from doing this. It was a great workout. 10 reps is the perfect amount of repetitions in my opinion, but again, you can go a little bit higher if you want to. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also follow me on Instagram, DylanBerg999. 999. So yeah, end the video. Thank you.